Okay, so welcome to my video on standard deviation. And standard deviation is just a fancy way of saying how far apart or how close together all of the numbers in a data set are. So let's take a look at this data set in black. We have 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. If we took the average or the mean of this data set and we added all of these numbers together and then we divided by 5, we would get an average of 30. And most of you probably could do that just by looking at it. And if we took a look at the data set in blue on the right, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. If we took the average or the mean of this data set and we added all these numbers together, divided by 5, we also have a mean of 30. So if we just looked at the mean of both of these data sets, we would think that they're exactly the same because they both have an average of 30. But clearly, just by looking at them, we know that this isn't true. The numbers in the black are much closer together to the mean than the numbers in blue. In black, the smallest number is 28, and the largest number is 32. That is very close to our average of 30. Where our data set in blue, our smallest number is 10, and our largest number is 50. That's much farther away than our average of 30. So since the data set in blue, the numbers are much farther apart, they have a larger standard deviation than the data set in black. So that's my brief introduction.